astrological forecast for Monday, July the 19th. My name's Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel, and we're going to get started like we always do by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by starting off taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity and darkness leaving our body. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light that not only fills our entire bodies with white light, but then goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity, right back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected to our higher selves, we are going to say our Cancer affirmation, as above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. We're going to say it together and stay in that white light space connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. Wonderful. Well, happy Monday. I don't know if you watched yesterday or not, but this week is kind of like petty, harmonizing, and discordant energies kind of fighting together, and today is one of those days. We start off today with the moon in Scorpio still, so our emotions are very intensified. Not only passion and love, but jealousy, betrayal, inadequacy. So we want to remember that. We have this beautiful water trine, though, between the moon, the sun, and Neptune. So it's a 100-degree connection. So we have the sun, the moon, and Neptune. They're all 120 degrees apart. And this sets up a beautiful water trine. Trines are very, very lovely, flowing, comfortable. Everyone gets along. It's also an energy of opportunity, but the energy is so easy and free-flowing that if we don't, first of all, see it and then nail it, we're going to miss it. So keep that in the back of your head. It might have something to do, though, this opportunity, with the matchup, the conflicting energy with this beautiful water trine is a moon T-square. Boom, like this. So we have the moon and Uranus opposing each other, split down the middle by, who did I say? Jupiter and Pisces. So it's tense. It's stressful. You know, we've got moon in Scorpio, so people are really into their emotions and expressing their emotions, and they're feeling them. They're feeling them really strongly. Now, we know this since we have this beautiful water trine. If we're sensitive to that and we understand where our coworkers or our partner, friends, family are coming from, then we can choose to address whatever challenge, obstacle we're dealing with in a loving manner, understanding that everyone is feeling very emotionally intense And you know what we're going to find out? That we're probably going to find out that everyone else really wanted to get to a solution too. They just didn't know how to get there because they were being batted around with all this emotional stuff going on. So we can be their light. We can help us all come to compromise today on whatever issue we're facing, whatever challenge we're facing, even though the challenge with that T-square is really tricky, it's really tense. We do have the energy that we can work through that and come to a compromise, a consensus. Wouldn't that be great, right? Good energy for that today. So I want to remind you that today the Leo monthly forecast is coming out. So be looking for that. And then on Thursday, when the sun actually goes into Leo, we will have our new Leo affirmation, as well as a 15-minute guided meditation to go along with our Leo affirmation. So stay tuned for that. And slow and steady. Solitude. Dragon's lair. That's all those people fighting in the meeting on the obstacles and challenges. But we have the magic elixir. Right? That beautiful water trine. Okay, slow and steady. Okay, we're not going to get this whole week with all these energies kind of fighting like today. It's not really big stuff. It's just little tense, irritating stuff. We're just going to, since we have this beautiful water trine today that we know we can work with if we tap into it, otherwise it'll pass right by and we'll miss it. We're going to tap into that energy and we're just going to use it and slow and steady. Just keep moving forward with sensitivity and understanding of others and where they're coming from today. Solitude. Spirit is calling us. Spirit is saying, hey, some of us are MIA. Some of us have not been checking in with Spirit and connecting with our higher selves so that we can find our answers to our internal problems today, so that we can heal and mend, so that we can navigate the Aquarian energy that's coming in successfully and have it be prosperous for us. But we are not going to be able to do that unless we move into solitude, we become centered, aligned, quiet, we meditate, whatever that means to us, whether that is the 15-minute guided meditation, whether we just want to stay in a space for 5 minutes, whether we want to take a walk in the woods or on the beach. However we come to that quiet centering space, we're going to need it. You know why? Yeah, it's a dragon's lair kind of day. We can get into it today if we're not conscious and understand the energies that are happening today, right? I mean, it is tense. It is, people are ready to just, but we can calm the savage beast by just being gentle, coming in a softer voice, not being confrontative, coming from a space of trying to work together. That is really going to help, and we might be successful with it. So have a great Monday. Make sure that something I just remembered that popped into my head in these discussions with each other, make sure we stick to the truth. We've got that little skeleton in the closet today. Neptune is in one of our nasty little connections today. So Neptune's retrograde. So watch out. Make sure we are always coming from truth today, that we are not telling any fables or embellishing anything if we're trying to solve a problem or an issue. Also be aware that others are going to tend to do that as well. So be conscious, make people give us the facts if we need them, but do it kindly. And that's a good word for the whole day. I've been saying that a lot. Today is one of those days. Let's just remember to be kind to our brothers and sisters, because everyone's emotions are a little bit cattywampus today, okay? Have a great day. Come see me come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. Remember, life is lived from the inside out. Have a great Monday. Namaste.